So today is Sunday, friends. Welcome to the channel Share and Learn by Vikas. Share these sessions with your family, friends, colleagues, and near and dear ones. Like the discussions if you like it, and do subscribe the channel Share and Learn. Today we will be talking about the fifth habit, which is barrier to success, and it is actually being aggressive. Let us look at the dictionary meaning of being as well as aggressive both differently. Being means state of existence, and aggressive means actually it's a behavior. Aggressive is a behavior. Aggressive means likely to fight or argue. So being aggressive means a person is always in a state to fight or argue. So this is basically the dictionary meaning. And how to identify that whether I am or you or any other person is aggressive. Some of the behaviors are impatient, rude, they are interrupting, they tend to criticize, they are loud, they refuse to listen, and they do not respect the other's point of view. Okay, friends, so the definition of aggressive is someone who is prone to become competitive and makes strong attempts to win. Basically, if we look at it, this doesn't sound to be very aggressive. If I am prone to be competitive and if I make strong attempts to win, that's basically an assertive. But why it is becoming aggressive statement is that if we add up, the person who is prone to being competitive makes strong attempts to win by harming others and self, then it's an aggressive. So how can I stop being aggressive? We have identified four reasons here. First thing is, be very clear. While dealing with an aggressive person or while improving upon our aggressiveness, ask for what you want openly and in a very straightforward manner. Speak in a normal conversational tone rather than too softly or too loudly. Keep your posture very positive. Adopt an upright and a relaxed posture. Make sure your face and your jaw is soft rather than clenched, and avoid using lots of hand movements or dramatic gestures. Avoid accusing. Try not to react to situations by blaming others. You will be or I will be seen as an aggressive person while others may become defensive, or rather they can also become aggressive too. So while dealing with an aggressive person, if we will not respond to the situation rather than react to the situation, likely chances that it may be converted into a fight. Keep your cool. It's rarely easy to deal with confrontations, and even the calmest among us can lose control of their emotions. But say that you are angry. After all, you have an every right to stand up for yourself, and if you feel you are being challenged, but still try to be very respectful. So friends, how to deal with aggressive people? Again, be direct. The only language an aggressive person understands is directness. Hinting and beating behind the bush will only add to the argument. Direct talk do require some courage on our part, standing in front of an aggressive person, but for sure the other person will be less aggressive, at least with you. Second point, be prepared. Having a fact and figures with you while communicating with an aggressive person. This will mellow down her aggression. Usually, aggressive person makes his presence felt by talking very loudly and avoids the facts and figures. Aggressive person don't accept defeat. Hence, do not accept that they will be saying that you are right. But be prepared with all the data points while dealing with an aggressive person. Stay engaged. This is optional as such, but very interesting. Do not avoid dealing with an aggressive person. He's not a convict. He's aggressive in his approach. Just try to calm down his negativity. Try to calm down the things which he has not done. So involve them within a small task. And at times, involve them also in a bigger tasks. This will show them that they need not to be aggressive, at least against you. Maybe they can be less aggressive with you in future also. So this is optional, but we can practice. So friends, good habit is to be effective at work and assertive in the approach to deal with others, as well as assertive within ourselves that we are not aggressive. And reflecting aggressiveness is a sure derailer to your success. Next Sunday session, we will be looking forward for the failure habit number 6. While I work upon this topic, you can share your comments with me for a meaningful discussions in this channel on next Sunday. Thank you very much for watching the discussions today. Have a good week ahead.